yes guys, we are on the way to the Chinatown. You know, last time I came here was in the night, and yeah, it was almost like empty. So now we are there before closing, so we have 1 hour to explore this area and to see what Chinatown can offer in the still daylight. Oh, we have many rats here. Oh, hey, well. Oh. So we have nice sunset here behind this church, you know, and we have nice park here, and the fountains start to light up. So yeah, we're gonna go to the On Pink Street, the most famous and popular street here in the Chinatown. Yeah, but this church looks gorgeous. Last time in the night I couldn't check it out, but it looks so amazing. Look at it now, wow. Yeah, so On Pink Street, I think it's directly left from this beautiful church here. Yeah, looks like the church is gorgeous also. Looks like the church is also gorgeous from the inside, like from the outside, you know, and there is people inside, but just we're gonna keep going to this busy street here. And this place is really busy. So Divisoria Market and the Divisoria Mall and area is the most busy street I ever saw here in the Philippines, really. It's so busy that you have people everywhere. And it's still perfect time here because it's coming the sunset, so the markets are still open, and we can see like buildings in behind, and we can see the lights coming out because it's close to the 6 p.m. now. We're on Pink Street, so yeah, let's check it out. Looks alive. Last time was really dead and empty in the night, so now it really looks nice and alive. So we're gonna check all of these places. Like, you know, few people on the one tricycle, and again we have the big line for some restaurants or some snacks. I'm not sure, but here it looks like people really like to stand in the line for a few hours just to take some food. Looks like the best food is in the Chinatown, right? So all this line is just for the, looks like this restaurant here. So yeah, they took all the passage. So yeah, like wow, I have no idea what's so special about this food though. It's like, damn, the line still keep going, man. Wow, this is epic. So it looks like this is the best food in the Philippines, because people are just waiting, you know, for hours, man. Damn. That I will never do for the food, even it's the food from heaven. No, I just cannot, like, wow, it's too much. Last time was a bit less because it was a night, but now at like 6 p.m. wow, it's going like full straight line for this food. Yeah, we need to wait a bit. Oh yeah, rain up. So the streets are pretty small, and there is still a lot of people. So this is probably the Filipino, and look, also here we have like so big line, you know, people are just like standing in the line for this ube, I think, or for the bakery, I'm not sure. Yeah, in front of this Chinese gate. And yeah, from this angle, you know, with a gate and like with the lights on the On Pink Street, yeah, Chinatown looks beautiful, looks so beautiful. Yeah, but these small vibes give kind of impression of the Hong Kong and Chinatowns there, you know. Yeah, with these lightings. Hey, what's up? How are you? How are you? We have some Chinese shop here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. When it's alive, it's kind of so beautiful, you know. And yeah, it's perfect timing. Sunset lights up, and still it's like, still it's kind of daylight here. Oh yeah, this is the food street. I wanted to check it out. So yeah, I wanted to eat here last time, so yeah, it's nice and cool. But let's first go to the end of the street, then we're gonna go back to this place and try some food. Yeah, but it's so nice and colorful and alive. Yeah, so we have like again one more place with so many people. Like the line is still probably for sure 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Wow, wow. Looks like the Chinese food is the best. Small places and these small roads, we have like Ferrari just pop up from nowhere. Like the roads are so, you know, broken here, and it's so tiny roads, you know, and he's still coming with a Ferrari. He can just scratch it up, you know, easy peasy. Anyway, looks like this is some nice beautiful hotel. Let's check if they have something interesting inside. Hey boss, how are you? What's this? This is the hotel?
Hotel and restaurant.
Restaurant? Chinese restaurant?
Chinese restaurant, Catalia.
Is it nice? Is this one here right? Okay.
Laonyang.
Sorry?
Laonyang restaurant.
Laonyang. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Looks cool. Looks really cool. But let's finish this. So looks like this is the place where everybody buying like gold, you know, and jewelry. This whole street is like full with the jewelry. I'm not sure if it's like real, but anyway. Yeah, so many of them. They're like selling gold. So if you need gold, you should come to this street here. All right. So yeah, we come on the end of this Chinese street, and then we came to this like fountain in the center with some beautiful church behind it, you know. Actually no idea where I am, but we're gonna keep going. Maybe we're gonna find something interesting on the corners. This is cool actually to see. There is kind of this church with a basketball court here. Damn, like the church with the basketball court on it. This is, cannot be more Filipino than this, right? Like Catholic church with a nice basketball field outside. Damn. 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 This is so Filipino. Anyway, let's keep to the street. Find this Mang Inasal. So I heard about it, and yeah, it's kind of Filipino branch. Mang Inasal. So it's time to try it. I heard many things about it, but yeah, I never had a chance actually, and now I just see it on the corner, so it's time to try it. Yeah, all of these streets are so wild and so alive. Yeah, just stores, selling, stores. People everywhere. So let's see, what is the store? Came here to this famous. Finally, we are here. Let me take like this. Yes, we are here. Hey, I don't have cash. Sorry.
Money.
No money. No money.
Yes, money.
Yes. Yes. You say yes, money. So yeah, it's time to. Mang Inasal. Hey mom, how are you? Yes, let's see what we can actually eat from this menu. Sprite.
Then one hello small.
Yes.
204.
Customer number 64. Please claim your order. Thank you.
Only cash?
Yes.
No way. So looks like this is.
Customer number 65. Please claim your order. Thank you.
This is the box. But I'm not sure if they're gonna bring the food or we need to pick it up. So yeah guys, this is the meal with sauces, Fried. We have chicken. Looks cooked nice. And we have a bit rice. Wow, this chicken is amazing.
Customer number 73. Customer number 63. Customer number 73. Please claim your order. Thank you. Customer number 56. Please claim your order. Thank you.
meal is done. I throw it. Yeah, guys, we finished with the Mang Inasal. I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking it will not be good, but actually this was the best chicken I tried in the Philippines. And like, hey, what's up? And actually the price was so good, you know. This is the most cheapest meal that you can get in the Philippines. So you can get the chicken, the rice, the drinks and everything just for $2.50, man. Wow. That was the most value meal I find in the Philippines, and the chicken was the most delicious. So yeah, wow. This will be my place to go and eat every time. Even did it give me good impression, it's the best place till now. Huh? What's this gun? You shoot people?
Hey, money.
Money?
Give me coins.
No money, no coins, no coins,
Coin.
no coins, no money, no money.